campers, this is Logan Gregoire at Country Camper. I'm here at our East Montpelier, Vermont location today, and I am so excited to bring you the latest and greatest from Grand Design RV. Behind me is the all-new Momentum 31G travel trailer. This is the latest travel trailer in Momentum's lineup, and it has some huge advancements that is definitely going to revolutionize the use of a toy hauler for the Grand Design lineup. So follow us today as we go through this unit. We're really excited about the upgrades that Grand Design's made. Now, in getting into the general specs of the 31G, the biggest advancement that Grand Design made is they took the footprint of the 29G, which we all know features an 11-foot garage, and they expanded that an extra 2 feet, giving you 13 feet of garage space. This is huge in this travel trailer, as this now gives you the versatility to add larger side-by-sides, larger motorcycles, more motorcycles, kayaks, and the list goes on. That is the biggest advancement and the whole purpose of the 31G. Now, as we get into the general specs, you can base it off the 29G to some extent, but this trailer comes in at an overall length of 35 feet 11 inches. It comes in at an unloaded vehicle weight of just under 9,000 pounds. Grand Design lists it as 8,975 pounds. And there's also a gross vehicle weight rating of 12,000 pounds, giving you ultimately a cargo carrying capacity of about 3,000 pounds. And the overall height is 12 foot 1 inches. The biggest takeaway in the 31G, as I noted up front, is the ultimate 13-foot garage. I'm excited to be standing here in the all-new 13-foot garage in the 31G. Now, this garage features some additional options that we've added, which includes the Happy Jack bunk system. That's going to provide some additional sleeping space. But the nice thing is on this electric system here, you can actually put it all the way up top, so you still have amazing clearance when it comes to extra toys, side-by-sides, ATVs, kayaks, and more. You are also going to notice behind me the patio deck system. This is a party deck system, as we call it. There is a 3,000 pound capacity, but it's super easy and simple to unhook when you do need to load your toys up. But when you are at your campsite, your toys are unloaded, there's plenty of space in here to have some fun with your friends and any other guests that you have. In talking about the all-new 31G, we're often going to reference the 29G, which Grand Design used as their overall template as they were designing this coach. One thing that Grand Design did want to revamp from the 29G to the 31 was providing everybody with more counter space. We know that counter space is critical in camping, just like storage, so Grand Design didn't skimp when they totally relaid out the kitchen, providing you with the ultimate counter space. They also went further and they provided you with a pantry for additional storage needs. This is something that was lacking from the 29G and that has been significantly improved upon into the 31G. Thank you, campers, for tuning in today to watch the review on the Momentum 31G from Grand Design RV. Now, to summarize the big changes here, Grand Design went to a 13-foot garage, so 2 feet larger than the 29G. They shifted around the sink in the garage bathroom. They added a pantry in the kitchen, and they greatly increased the counter space as well. So overall, Grand Design did an excellent job in making the all-new 31G. And if you like the content that you saw today, please like, comment, and subscribe below. We also have a huge announcement which you may have seen, but you should also sign up for our 3K giveaway. No strings attached. Go to our website, countrycamper.com, to learn more details. We appreciate your viewership. Thank you for watching.